This is the quickest possible way to make this roof. In our 2D view, we'll go to the roof tool. For geometry method, we'll go to multiplane. And construction method, we'll go rectangular for now. If we hold in spacebar to activate the magic wand, and we hover over that edge, and we click once, this is the quickest possible way to make this roof. In our 2D view, we'll go to the roof tool. For geometry method, we'll go to multiplane. And construction method, we'll go rectangular for now. If we click in this bottom left-hand corner just here and bring it up to this top right hand and click once, we'll have our hip roof. If we deselect the tool, hitting escape twice, and select the roof, if we now click on this blue point just here, and then we insert a new node, we can bring this node down to this outermost point just here. And now if we click this middle point and inside of the pit palette go to offset edge, we can bring this one out all the way to here. And just like that, we can really quickly adjust our roof to the footprint of our floor plan. Now, if we select our roof tool and instead of rectangular, we select complex roof, we can now trace around the outside of these walls just here, clicking on each of the external points until we get back to the origin point, and clicking that final time will create that roof. Now for real world projects, I rely on my template to eliminate setup and get drawings done faster. I've now made my template available for purchase. The link will be down below. Now to create a roof plan just like this, you'll want to check out this video just over here. We take it all step by step, so go on and check it out.